Alright, go.
Hi, this is Wade. I upgraded the wheels on my Ranger RZR 800 from the stock 25 inch to 27 inch. Three wheels went on okay. The rear passenger side wheel didn't have enough clearance. I have created an easy kit to make this wheel fit.
Included in the 27-inch wheel upgrade kit is the 1-inch aluminum block, 2 case-hardened steel bolts, and 2 locking nuts. This can be purchased on eBay at Sky Junction 70.
To begin, slip a block of wood in under your engine to hold it up at the present elevation. At that time, you can remove your lower bracket and upper bracket and disassemble that. After you've disassembled that, you'll see 2 bolt holes here. One is 3/8, one is 5/16. Drill the 5/16 out to 3/8 of an inch. Then you'll install this block right here in this position with the 2 case-hardened 2-inch nuts and washers. One of the better ways of running them 2 bolts in here is using a 9/16 1/4-inch drive with an extension. It makes it easier to get back in there, run those bolts in, and then you can tighten them up real tight with a 3/8 drive. After you've installed that, then go ahead and mount your bottom bracket with the 1-inch bolts that came out of here. Use those 1-inch bolts and the 2 locking nuts provided to mount the lower bracket on. Then install your motor mount. After that, go ahead and cut out this metal right in here with a Sawzall or a grinder, and that'll help you to get that tire fit that you need. Then go ahead and pull the board. On this machine, I presently have 2-inch spacers for a little better ride, but on 50-inch trails, I take those off to make it through the 50-inch posts.
Alright, we provided a link to the kit in the description. Have a good day.